After Virendra Sehwag playfully called New Zealand batsman Ross Taylor a darji, the Kiwi batsman replied to him in style, starting a banter which has left the social media in splits.
Virendra Sehwag's shown us his wit on social media, and this time it was his banter with New Zealand's Ross Taylor that's blowing up the internet. It all started with this congratulatory tweet after the first ODI, playfully referring to Ross Taylor as darji. And pat came the reply from the Kiwi, that too in Hindi. And the banter continued, Sehwag eventually conceding to Taylor. And the Kiwi reignited it on Sunday, writing the latest chapter. Sehwag even joking that Taylor's Hindi skills could qualify him for an Aadhaar card. And it seems even Aadhaar couldn't stop themselves from jumping in. Sehwag's post-retirement avatar has already made him a darling of social media. And long may that continue.